Hello everyone. Welcome to this comprehensive step-by-step guide on safely upgrading your operating system from Windows 10 to Windows 11 in 2025. I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from checking compatibility to enjoying the new features, to make the entire process smooth and secure. Let's get started on this essential upgrade. First, it's crucial to ensure your PC meets all the necessary Windows 11 requirements. Navigate to your Windows 10 desktop. Then click Start, go to Settings, select System, and finally click on About to review your current specifications. For a definitive check, download and run the official PC Health Check tool from Microsoft. This tool will scan your hardware, including processor, RAM, and TPM 2.0, providing a clear pass or fail. If it passes, you're ready for the next step. Before initiating any major operating system upgrade, backing up your important files is an absolutely critical step. You can use an external hard drive or leverage cloud storage solutions like Microsoft OneDrive to securely save all your documents, photos, and other valuable data. This precaution ensures that your personal information remains safe and accessible, even in the unlikely event of an unforeseen issue during the upgrade process. Now, with your files safely backed up, it's time to begin the upgrade. Open your Windows 10 settings, navigate to Update and Security, and then select Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. If your system is eligible and compatible, you will see a prominent option to upgrade to Windows 11. Select this option, and the download and installation process will commence. This phase may take some time, depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the update, which typically ranges from 3 to 5 gigabytes. Once the download is complete, the installation will begin automatically. You'll observe a progress bar on your screen, and your PC will restart multiple times throughout this phase. It is extremely important not to interrupt this process. Allow your computer to complete all necessary steps without intervention. This entire installation and restart sequence typically takes anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, depending on your system's hardware and speed. Congratulations! Upon successful installation, you'll be greeted by the fresh, new Windows 11 setup screen. Take a moment to explore the redesigned interface, including the new centered Start menu, which offers a streamlined experience. Discover the Widgets panel for quick access to information, and try out Snap Layouts, a powerful multitasking feature that helps you organize your windows efficiently. Welcome to a more modern, productive, and visually appealing computing experience. That's it. You've successfully upgraded to Windows 11. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time.